Hey everyone! Today we're touring a room at Sandals Grande Antigua. Located 15 minutes west of the V.C. Bird International Airport, this adults-only resort has 373 rooms, an incredible white sand beach along Dickinson Bay, and has beautiful Caribbean and Mediterranean-inspired areas on the 27-acre property. Let's take a look at where we stayed. Room 903. A Mediterranean one-bedroom Butler villa with private pool sanctuary. You'll enter the villa and place your card in the control slot to turn on your air conditioning and lights. Below are your light switches and fan controls, as well as your Do Not Disturb button when you want some privacy, and your makeup button when you're ready for your room to be clean. Your spacious living room area is filled with gorgeous natural light. In the corner is a large mirror and writing desk. Here you'll find 2 UK electrical outlets, as well as your phone, paper and pen, and your room service menu. This area holds a love seat, additional lighting, and your couch with comfy pillows, all with an elegant Mediterranean design. And your ceiling fan can be found overhead for the perfect breeze. Across the room is your bar area. Here you'll find your adjustable thermostat, beside inset shelves with various glasses, and an ice bucket. Your 42-inch flat-screen TV is found above the countertop, which holds both your TV remote and your cell phone. This cell phone has a direct line to your butlers, who anticipate all your vacation needs. Below is your Ensuite Bar that has full bottles of top-shelf spirits and wine, including Robert Mondavi Twin Oaks Red Wine, Tanqueray, Johnny Walker, Appleton, and Absolute. You'll also find your bottle opener and additional water bottles here. On the left, you'll find your mini fridge that holds a variety of drinks, including Sprite, Coke, Diet Coke, water, local beers, ginger ale, fruit juices, and Robert Mondavi Twin Oaks white wine. On the right, you'll find pull-out shelving that holds mugs, sweeteners, teas, and Jamaica Blue Mountain Blend coffee, as well as your water heater and coffee maker. Across the room is your complimentary chilled bottle of Welcome champagne. Next up, through double doors, is your bedroom area. You'll find your light switches, fan controls, and adjustable thermostat on the far wall. Beside this is your storage area. It holds an extra blanket and pillows, plush robes, hangers, an iron and ironing board, umbrella, comfy slippers, and a luggage rack. You'll also find your safe with enough space to fit a 13-inch laptop with lots of room to spare. Beside this is your bedside table that holds your alarm clock with USB chargers. It has an extendable table surface with hidden storage underneath. Your 4-poster mahogany king-size bed has soft linens and plush pillows. The other bedside table holds your phone and also has an extendable table surface with additional storage underneath. And above the bed is your second ceiling fan. Across from this is your large full-length mirror, plush seating, and your second 42-inch flat-screen TV. You'll find additional outlets and your TV remote here. Underneath, you'll find additional storage with 6 large drawers for unpacking, plus a side table with a variety of information about Antigua. There's also 2 large windows with adjustable wooden panels to let in all the natural light. Across from here is your open concept bathroom area. You're welcomed into the space by the tiled Roman Whirlpool Tub with multiple jets, sleek fixtures, and shower head. Your first vanity area holds a light-up magnifying mirror and a large backlit mirror. On the counter is your sink, glass, soap, various electrical outlets, and your tissues. Beside this is your toilet area. with lots of shelf storage and extra towels. Across the room is your second vanity area with easy access to light switches, an outlet, and a large backlit mirror. On the countertop is your sink, glass, soap, and your complimentary amenities, including full-size shampoo, conditioner, body wash, lotion, and other Red Lane Spa amenities that are restocked as needed. Under the counter, you'll find your hair dryer. To complete the space, you'll find your large shower area. It has modern fixtures, a rainfall shower head, large bench, and beautiful tiling throughout. Now onto one of the best parts of the room, the private pool sanctuary. Here you'll find shaded patio seating and your own supply of beach towels, which are across from your open concept shower and personal float. Beside this are comfy twin loungers that face your walk-in plunge pool. Your backyard is complete with a calming waterfall, artistic touches, and a private outdoor jacuzzi tub. It's the perfect place to relax in luxury. We hope you enjoyed our room tour here at Sandals Grande Antigua. If you like this room tour, give it a thumbs up and tell us what you think in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more resort videos and vacation inspiration. Thanks for watching, guys!